Hey, it's Tax Crips time from TaxMama.com. Today, Tax Mama hears from John with this rather naive question. He says, I've been mulling about this idea for a long time. I want to start a tax prep and services business. I've been doing returns for friends and associates for the past 2 years and want to incorporate. What is my first step? And then the next one. I've read your articles regarding PTIN and such. Whatever advice you might have would be appreciated. Well, John, there's certainly room for you in the business, but just doing friends' tax returns isn't enough experience or expertise to build an entire tax practice around. Without education or training, there's no way to do an adequate job for strangers, people you don't know anything about. When they bring you their information, you have no basis to understand their lifestyle, what are reasonable earnings for their profession or job, or very much, really. These days, tax professionals at all levels are required to be a sort of tax police. The IRS expects us to catch and eliminate or prevent tax fraud. That takes experience and or training. So depending on when you want to become a tax pro, I recommend that you start by getting experience. Either get a job, full or part-time, or do volunteer work for VITA or AARP's tax aid. Then consider getting some additional training so you can pass the IRS's RTRP exam after tax season, or if you want to reach for the ring and get some higher level training, you can study for the EA exam. That training and passing that exam will make a big difference in your skills as a preparer, taxpayer representative, and even as an IRS tax fraud catcher. Then, once you've gotten all the licenses, then you'll know whether to incorporate or what. Then you'll know how to target your marketing and on what area of taxation you want to focus. So those are the first steps that I recommend. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about becoming a tax pro and other tax and business issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.